Well, it's all about sharing the fun. I brought my daughter and her friend Molly to Castle Combe in our little Boxster. More or less standard car, beautiful little car. And I've had them driving around. For Molly, it's the first time ever driving a Porsche, well, in fact, any type of sports car. And she did a fantastic job. Did really, really good. She's never been exposed to anything like it before. Georgina, done a little bit before, but they both progressed. They both had a lovely time. And now we've got to enjoy a drive home. So, really successful day, and sharing these cars, sharing the fun, sharing the sport, sharing the passion. That's what it's all about. It's cool. Lord help me, look what I've done. How'd it go?
I thought it went quite well, to be honest.
Yeah?
Didn't die.
Didn't die? And what did you learn about each other?
You would have killed me if you saw what I did.
Yeah.
Pick me up.
Right.
Breathe again.
What did you do?
We both had a fairly dodgy first lap.
Yeah.
But we got into it.
She had no cars on her lap, and all the cars came
You
out
had all the
fast.
fast ones, didn't you? Yeah. It's cool.
We smacked